how to delete games on PS4. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete games on your PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to delete games on PS4, it's actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all, let's say that you want to delete a specific game, but when you click the OK button, the game is going to get started and not deleted. So instead of this game, let's say there are also any of the other apps that you might want to delete. It's basically the same process to delete them as well. What you have to do is just hover the selection over this, and once you've done that, press the options button on your controller, which you'll normally find it here. So press the options button, and if you scroll down here, you'll find this option called delete. It'll ask you for a confirmation. Click the OK button and the game will get successfully deleted. As a result, you can also repeat the process for other games and apps as well. And that's all it takes to delete games on PS4. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.